What to know before visiting Daya Beacon? If you are planning a trip to the Hudson Valley and Catskills, you might be curious about what to expect at the Daya Beacon Art Museum. This contemporary art museum is located in Beacon, New York, and is housed in a former Nabisco box printing factory. The museum features a remarkable collection of art from the 1960s to the present, with a focus on large-scale installations and site-specific works by influential artists. Before you go, it is essential to know that Daya Beacon operates from Friday through Monday, typically from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. during the spring to fall season. In winter, the hours are slightly reduced. Admission requires advance time ticket reservations, which you must purchase online. No tickets are sold on site. General admission is around $25, with discounts available for seniors, students, and children. Members and children under 5 can enter for free. The museum offers free public tours on weekends at noon and 1:30 p.m., included with your admission. These tours provide helpful context about the artists and the works on display. Gallery attendants are available to assist visitors and ensure a respectful environment. Health and safety protocols are in place, including requirements for face coverings and social distancing. You can find interactive floor plans and artist information accessible via QR codes, which will enhance your visit while keeping safety in mind. Daya Beacon is known for its focus on single artist, site-specific presentations. The galleries are designed to highlight individual artists' work, such as Dan Flavin's light sculptures and Richard Serra's large steel pieces. The museum also features seasonally changing gardens designed by artist Robert Irwin, which blend art with the surrounding environment. When visiting, be prepared to engage with modern and contemporary art that often uses industrial materials and natural elements. The museum encourages an open mind and thoughtful reflection to appreciate the scale of the works. Additional amenities include a gift shop and a restaurant on site. This allows you to purchase art-related items or enjoy a meal during your visit. Daya Beacon is part of the broader cultural scene in the Hudson Valley and Dutchess County. It contributes to the region's reputation as a destination for arts and culture. The museum also participates in local programs, such as the Dutchess Tourism Arts and Culture Trail, which offers perks and discounts at various cultural institutions in the area. Before you visit Daya Beacon, make sure to plan ahead by securing your tickets online. Prepare for a unique experience of large-scale contemporary art in a historic industrial setting, and allow time to explore both the indoor galleries and the outdoor gardens. The museum's commitment to long-term presentations and educational programs makes it a distinctive cultural asset in New York State's upstate region.